My name is Chef Gladness. I'll be preparing a traditional dish for my uncle and his British wife who came from outside the country. My first dish is mixed meat, efforiro, while my second dish is pounded yam, while my refreshing drink is orange drink. So this is my meat. It consists of different meats like offals, beef, goat meat. These are my meat. This is my mixed meat. This is my iru. This is my pomo. This is sugar that I use for the syrup for my orange drink. This is tomato and pepper. This is snail. This is maggi, dried fish, salt and crayfish, palm oil, onions and efo. And this is the yam. So first, as I start, I'll start preparing the orange drink first. I'll have to cut the orange and squeeze it out and add the syrup to it and put it in the refrigerator to chill. Well, I'll now start by boiling the meat with maggi and onions and salt. So as I'm boiling the meat, I'll have put my palm oil, added pepper, tomato, onions, add my roux, add my meat, add the efo, add everything. So I'll now add this my boiled meat that I've done with the stock to make it and till the efforiro is ready. While during that process, I'll have cut my yam, I'll have cut the yam, I'll pound the yam and set it. Then my dish is ready.